Bella, why are you looking so cute, huh? Okay, really? Okay. We're here at the Issaquah Costco. This girl's screaming because she is hangry. And they love their chicken bake, so right when she saw the Costco building, she was getting excited. But I have a feeling this is the busiest Costco ever. There's a ton of people at the entrance. Look at this food court. Look how packed this place is. Chicken bake right there, there. And oh, good job. Right there, pepperoni pizza. Good job. I've never seen it this busy before. We're literally number 43 and she just yelled 23L. All right, so we're finally in. This girl is satisfied. She was really hangry. By the way, I'm wearing my sunglasses in here because I'm kind of miserable from allergies. My eyes look like I just got punched in the face. First thing I notice here, there's literally way more booze here. There's 2 whole aisles of wine here, which is awesome because there's a certain wine I'm looking for. I don't know if you know this, but fun fact about Costco, #1 seller of booze. I think it's called Bon Appetit. It's a food channel. They've got a sommelier that he tried a whole bunch of Costco wine to rate it. And there was this one wine specifically that he said was better than private label. He said it was better than a private label brand that he had just had that day. So I'm looking for that, but didn't know they sell that much. It makes sense. But a lot of the wines he was tasting was $6, $8, $10, and he was giving them thumbs up. So I'm looking for this one specific brand. One of the wines he did try was the champagne that I like, and he said it was which I thought was kind of surprising. What you doing? Hey, this ain't gonna work, girl. Can you sit in your chair? Anyways, I was shocked because I swear that Kirkland champagne, it's on point for 20 bucks. Somebody's delirious. Definitely her nap time. Where are you going? One of the wines he did give a really good rating was this Prosecco, sparkling wine from Italy. So I'm gonna grab a bottle of this for sure. This girl insists on me holding her, so guess that's that. All right, so everybody that gets a shop here is really lucky because they have a huge selection of poke, 2 different flavors. And then what is this? Salmon poke bowl with rice and avocado. Wow, that sounds great. And then look at all this sashimi. I know we have sushi, but we don't have sashimi. This is legit. Oh my God, look at this platter over here. Yikes. That's a great platter for a party. Maybe if you're just really hungry. Oh, California rolls. Our Costco definitely doesn't have that. I had a feeling there'd be more fancy stuff here. At my Costco, I usually get the USDA prime beef, which is actually really, really delicious. But here, and I figured they got the American Wagyu. I'm gonna go see a friend later, and I thought I'd buy him some of this American Wagyu, so I'm gonna pick up a couple of these. But man, I'm getting kind of jealous at all the things they got here that I don't. Hey, are you getting jealous too? No? Wow, look at this. Margarita pizza. Look at that crust. They got some leoparding, as they say. Those black spots are leoparding. Oh, I should try that one of these days. Not today because we're going to a party, but finally got her to chill out in her seat. Is this the wrong section? No, we gotta go here. I forgot her backpack, so I need to buy a thing of diapers, which is all good because we're definitely going to use it. Also need to get some wipes for her. What size are you? Are you 3 now? 18 to 28 pounds? I always forget. You know what? You're a big girl now. I'm gonna get you the big ones. Get you the, oh my gosh, I can't believe. We're gonna use them though. We're gonna use them. Also baby wipes. All right, thank you, baby. I love these as snacks for the kids, but I also eat these right before I'm gonna work out. A friend of mine told me that eating some kind of fruit snack before or during your workout is actually good because of sugars or something. You know, somebody in the comments said this is basically high fructose corn syrup. Better than candy, I think. Mixed with fruit, got some, maybe some fiber. Plus, honestly, why not treat yourself once in a while? You want one of these? Fruit leathers? Okay, we're gonna put it right here, okay? And when we're done, you can have one of them. This is an interesting find. Freeze-dried mangosteen. Huh. In the Philippines, we eat this all the time. Very, very healthy for you. And this packaging is so light. Let me know if this is really good, if you've tried this. This is the first time I've ever seen it. Right next to it is this gently dried strawberries. I'm actually gonna try that. That sounds hella good. Let's see if there's additional sugar in it. Ingredients: organic dried strawberries, organic apple juice, organic sunflower oil. Huh, I'll try this too. Tell me, are you the kind of person that ever gets tempted to open food before you check out? Or are you like me, where sometimes when you just are desperate to entertain your kid, you'll open up something just so that you can give your girl a snack? I'm that parent for sure. I try not to. I try to tell them they have to wait to the end, but sometimes you get desperate. No big deal as long as you pay for it, obviously. Do not be tempted. This caught my eye right here. Tahini, chili and lime gummy bears. Oh, it looks like it comes with tahini. Does it? Oh, it's mixed in probably. That is unique. I don't know about that. I just like straight up gummy bears. Yay or nay? Chocolate covered gummy bears. Let me know in the comments area. See, this is what I'm saying. What is up? Is this like the fusion aisle? See, nerds are nerds. You don't need anything else. Why do you need them clustered up with a gummy? It's funny, I love all these gummies, but they got something to it. Gummies don't need anything. Gummies are gummies. They're good. Do you like gummies? You like fruit gummies? Yeah, I like fruit gummies too, especially Japanese ones. I bought a whole bunch for myself, but you guys ate them.
No.
You ate my gummies. Yeah, you did. You ate all my gummies. For all my Australian viewers, tell me about this. Australian licorice, strawberry, mango, green apple flavored. Oh, no high fructose corn syrup, plant-based. Huh, tell me what's different. If you've tasted American and Australian, let me know what is different about your licorice. Costco shoppers love their beef jerky. This whole aisle, both sides, jerky. I used to be a fan of jerky, but not as much lately. I just rather eat real steak. I do remember back in the day when I was younger, no kids, I would buy things like this. Korean barbecue snack bites. It's like super fancy jerky. This is a popular brand that you see, Bavarian Meats. These are pepperoni sticks, I guess you could say, or sausage sticks. Probably the most popular brand of beef jerky. Old Boy Alberto's. This is a Seattle brand. I did not know that. Let me know if you recognize this brand wherever you live, especially if you shop at Costco's in other countries. Do they have Old Boy Alberto? Turkey jerky? Not a fan, personally. I do love turkey though. All right, we successfully made it out without opening the package in the Costco. I want to say she was great, but she was definitely a handful. My thoughts on Costco and Issaquah. Uneventful. I was expecting more fancy stuff maybe. It was definitely crazy busy. It's funny how I'll recognize how busy it is inside by the entrance in the food court. So all in all, whatever. I didn't really find anything for the party other than those steaks maybe and some snacks I haven't seen before. Those strawberry ones, gently dried as it says. Ready to go to party? Let's go. Whoa, whoa. You in a good mood now? Okay. All right, I'm gonna try this right here. Gently dried strawberries. Let's see what this is all about, what it looks like. You know, I had something like this at the Pike Place Market. Oh my gosh. You want to try? You can have one, okay? This is actually really good. Here. That's hella bomb. Bella approved. You like it? Yeah. Time to look at the receipt. $167. That's crazy. The thing that cost the most for us today though, diapers. It's been about a month since we've been back from Japan, and it talked a lot about how food is so much more affordable. Definitely not as expensive in Japan, even for fancy stuff. I just don't understand, how does food get so expensive? I know farmers, they're not trying to take advantage of their customers. They charge whatever they need to charge based off of their costs. Even food companies, how can this be sustainable? Because I don't know about you. Now, we're not hurting for money, but still, I notice it. every time we go and I see our bill, I'm trying to buy in bulk more and more. And even vegetables, broccolini, just a small bunch of broccolini was $4. And sometimes I see your comments, which by the way, I appreciate when you guys leave comments, especially when it's from your perspective in your country. But a lot of you have told me in your country, your food bills, grocery bills would be a quarter, sometimes even less. Might be the country, but still, food should just be way more affordable for people. If I'm not hurting, and we're blessed, so we can afford these prices. But if you're living paycheck to paycheck, I remember when I was 18, I could only afford chicken. I buy a huge pack of chicken, rice, rice, and noodles. And then I tried to eat some vegetables, but vegetables were way more affordable back then. And then of course fruit. I'm curious how you're feeling about food. Is it still going up for you? Is it going down finally, or is it staying the same? To me, it seems it's not going up anymore, but it's definitely not going down, which is really sad because that means there's going to be hungry people out there. We already had food shortages and people going through some hardship. So with these prices, I don't know. What do you do? What do you do? I'm very grateful that we can feed all of our girls, especially the fact that we have 5 girls. One thing I will say though, we save a ton of money by eating at home, cooking at home, and not going out. Today was a short day. I didn't buy that much, even though that was an expensive receipt. It was those diapers and then the American Wagyu that I bought for my friend. You ready to go see mommy? Huh? All right. Bye-bye. Cutie pie.